Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video I want to talk about how much content you should create before actually you sell. So this was one of the question asked by one of the person whom I was having a call with. He had the concern he doesn't have a product yet, he don't know what to product, but he know what niche he wants to go in, but he don't have the product. So should he go ahead and just create content and sell later, or he just need to wait for until he find a perfect product for his affiliate product in order to promote? So I'm going to answer that question. So I just thought I'll make a video out of it, so if anybody having the same question can get benefit from this video. So before I actually talk about today's topic, if you are brand new to my channel, my name is Sachin and I'll be creating content on how to grow your online business with affiliate marketing, and also I'm going to document my journey on this channel. So if you are interested, please hit that subscribe button, and also if you want to get started with affiliate marketing, be sure to check the first link in the description. That is program created by my mentor, that is Work with Sebastian, where you get to promote both high ticket and recurring commission programs, and also you're going to get all the resources that you need to be successful online. So coming back to today's topic, for example, what I did initially before I actually start creating content, I had a product that I wanted to promote, that was Clickfunnels. So Clickfunnels is basically a funnel building software. So I didn't know how much content I should create, or just go ahead and start promoting it on the day one. So to answer this question, no matter whether you have a product or you don't have a product to promote, if you decide your niche, whether be it health niche or whether make money online niche, if you are decided on that part, just go ahead and start producing content. No matter if you don't have a product at the moment, that's okay, that's absolutely fine, because producing content every single day is the most important task in online business, and that is gonna take some time in order to grow that audience. So the sooner you start, the better it is. So the sooner you start producing content, you may not be good at it in the beginning, but eventually you will get better on that part. So it's very important that you go ahead and start producing content from day one, and even if you are not sure about your product, but if you have a product like Clickfunnels I had initially when I was promoting, what I used to do is I did not wait until I create 100 videos before I actually start promoting it. So what I used to do is I used to do how-to videos and the best software offer, review videos. So I used to do these kind of things, and in the end, I used to tell people hey, here is a link in the description for the 14-day free trial of Clickfunnels. You can just buy it. So you can create content and you can sell at that same time. It's very important that you explicitly mention about your offer in every single video, because your audience get used to it, and that's how you make money. So you don't want to be wait until you create 100 videos or you create 10,000 subscribers in order to start promoting any product. So it's important that you start promoting on the day one. That's okay. And if you don't have a product, don't sit back and wait for the right product to appear in front of you. Pick up your niche and start producing content, because even if you find that product, it's not the only product you're gonna promote in the lifelong. So you will change eventually. So building that audience is the priority one here. So it's important that you start producing content, start building your audience. Even if you I give more importance to content, because rather than paid ads as well, because content is such a thing, you don't want to chase people to persuade them to buy your product all the time. Content is such a thing that it will create that audience around you, and no matter once you have that audience, once you have built that trust with your audience, you can keep promoting any other product like ActiveCompaign or any other product that you feel valuable and that can provide massive value to your audience. Definitely you can choose. So to answer this question, don't wait until you find the right product. Start producing content from day one. That's the most important thing. And the next part is you can building your audience is the number one thing. So I hope you got value from this video, guys, and this is a short video I just wanted to shoot. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comment section, and also be sure to check the program created by my mentor, that is Work with Sebastian, where you're going to get to promote both high ticket and recurring commission, and you're going to get one of the best trainings that you need, all you need in order to succeed with your online business. Be sure to check the first link in the description, and I'll see you on the next one, guys. Thank you.